Okay, a little walkabout. It's quiet. It's nice out here. Dark. I think I'm going to get away with my stealth camping. At the garage here, I don't know if you can see it because this is the darkest place in the whole neighborhood. Okay. Focus. There we go. Darkest place in the whole neighborhood. My little hidey hole tonight. Feeling very stealthy. I think this is going to work. Okay, I thought I'd do a little recon here. Make sure everything's good to go. Looks pretty good in the neighborhood, so my spy footage is paying off. Switching to infrared. And I'm going in. Alright, I'm trying to keep this as stealthy as I can. Lighting's been a bit of a problem, but we'll see how it works out. So tonight for dinner, we have ReadyWise. Let's see if they're any good. We'll dig through here, see what we can find. I can see opening this is going to be a disaster. They have a pull tab. First package is this dark one, which is, I don't know what. It smells like beans. Second one is ReadyWise tomato basil with pasta. I think I'm looking forward to this. And now we're going to work on this little Jetboil thing. I got my pots, propane. This is the mini cooker. Can you believe it's that small? Clean up. Eating tools. So this, if you can see it, this is my budget cheapy cooker. It is tiny. It even comes with a little attachment to do stuff. We'll look at that later. Right now I cannot see what I'm doing. has the igniter sticking into where it seals, there's no way it's going to screw on here and not be in the way. Big failure. Or this just screws on there like that. Okay, that was not the way I wanted to do it, but here we go. Hey, success! And I can move these around. Okay, it took a couple tries to figure out, but there you go. We're in business. Okay, we'll take a look at what's cooking underneath. This is the knockoff Jetboil, and this is my throttle. Crazy hot, or a little more reasonable cooking temperature. I've been keeping it right around here. Alright, trying to stay as stealthy as I can. We're ready to start cooking finally. We have ReadyWise, we're giving them another try. Tomato basil soup with pasta. Now, I think it's a 2-cup setup here. Oh. There's a lot of gas coming out of there. Okay, we're cooking. This is my pot with its easy handle. Throw it on. Not the best balance. We'll put in that much. Reading instructions. Well, 4 cups of water. That's like all this. No, maybe. Alright, and turn the heat cover for 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if ReadyWise is better than the last stuff I had. Alright, and I left my knife in the cooking. I got a knife over here. Supposed to wait for the water to come to boil. That's a lot of ingredients. Okay. Now we'll take a quick look at this while we're waiting. Smells good, looks good. Sodium 610. That's not too bad. Protein is 3 grams. Really? 3 grams, okay. This is my flip spoon. Not bad. I'll just stir this up a little bit. And that's what I forgot to remove. A little moisture packet. Whew. This is going to take a while. Okay. A lid would have been nice. No lid's in there. Alright, we'll just keep stirring this. Sticky up out of there. Should have brought it to boil first, right? And what I'm going to do is turn this down a bit. There we go. Whew. Taste is not bad. While that's cooking, I'm going to grab me a little libation. Well earned. And I'm trying to stay stealthy with these lights low. Okay, while that's simmering, we can talk about the current events. The good news is I just got my cancer results. They're negative. No cancer seen, no cancer on the lab work. But I still have a 70% chance of it coming back. Okay, that's not so bad. But the bad part is I can't get my GCB, which is my immunotherapy, which is supposed to get me up to the 70%. So we can just hope that I can score some by January. This thing is hotter than I thought. Hopefully we're down to a simmer. Feel it sticking to the bottom. Alright, I'm tucked away in this abandoned garage here. Nobody comes here, nobody's been around, but I am surrounded by neighbors. And this beer is not sponsoring me. Ready Wise is not sponsoring me. Little Cooker is not sponsoring me. So I'll put some t-shirts in there, see if you want to buy those. And I'm working on the Patreon. We'll see if I get around to that. All right, this is going to take a while. So. Okay, I'm a little nervous about this, but this will be the great disconnect. Okay, we cool down. Just gonna unscrew this. Hopefully propane won't fly all over the place. It's supposed to be self-sealing. A lot of turns later. Hey, it worked. Everything's good. And then this folds up somehow until it's super tiny. Goes back in here. Okay, so far not a single car has driven by. It could not be quieter than a cemetery. I'm sneaking on out.